Alright, what is going on, guys? Crypto Mac here, bringing you guys another crypto video. Today we're going to take a look at Sand or Sandbox. We can see it's not had a very good day. The whole market's taken a bit of a turn. So I thought I'd do a very quick update video, just talking about Sand. So last we talked about was this W, which is starting to form, and you can see that basically has not happened. Now we can still see a W form. I think this is important to say. That we can still see a W, it might just be a longer W here. On the right side, it'd be longer. Also, just want to say this is not financial advice, so please do your own research. But as I said, like we can see a move from here, which we can see the bottom being right where we're at, which would be the same bottom as this, very similar. And so we can see a move up to here, and that would still form a W, and we can move higher past all-time highs and up to $10 or above that. So there's definitely still potential for this. We've also kind of found ourselves in this just descending channel for the moment. It tends to do this a lot. If you've been following my channel, you know I've talked about these bull flags. I mean, I wouldn't say this is a bull flag, of course, but bit of a descending channel or a falling wedge, and so these are likely to break out to the upside and could spark a move up. And obviously, a lot of this correction we've seen today is just because of Bitcoin. If we had pulled the Bitcoin chart, we can see Bitcoin just had a bad day. Went as low as $51,000, 800. That's really low, very low for Bitcoin. Unfortunately, it's really annoying because that means we broke out of our ascending, sideways moving channel, and also did not hold support on this line and broke through. So now we're back in this falling wedge, which is not ideal. And it'll be interesting to see what happens if we come back out. Was candle still on here, so we can still say that if we bounce out, that we had some support in this area and could still talk about this $68,000 Bitcoin, which the reason why I mentioned that is obviously that would just be really good for Sand and moving forward. Again, if Bitcoin moves back up to 56K, 58, 60K, well then it's likely to give Sand a push to get back in this W and move up. So that would be ideal. We can also see that on this Bitcoin chart, I've got the logarithmic version, that we've come down and we hit our line perfectly for Bitcoin on this cup and handle line, which is acted as resistance here, and then we break through, and we wicked on it perfectly on the 4 hourly chart. See that perfect wick, come down, support, which is good to see, and that's fine to show some support. The good news is, and I've talked about this for a while, is that Bitcoin was due for a correction, and this is a new height in this correction. Before it was to this point, now it's down here 25%, and I think that's enough to say, all right, we've had a 25% correction, now we can move up and move forward and come back up. We also are testing the bull market support band, and so if we can get support off that, well, that's just extremely bullish for Bitcoin. It shows that the market's still healthy. We've had a correction, and again, time's on our side, so we can now move forward and move up, given that the market cycle is not finished yet, which I don't believe it has, but we can't tell for sure. But yeah, as for Sand, I think it'd be nice to see Bitcoin decides to move back up, that Sand might do the same and form this W like this, form the W, and then we can break out and move to higher highs. So let me know what you think Sand will do. Do you think we're going to go lower? We may go lower. We definitely might go lower. So let me know. I'm interested to see. Please like the video, comment, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you later, guys. Enjoy.